Hey, what's up guys? Today we have an unboxing video, as you can see from the title. So this would be my second pair of actually designer sneakers, and this is a pretty interesting box from Neiman Marcus. So yeah, trusty knife. See how we do. How's your day been, guys? I guess I have nothing to talk about, so here we're doing an unboxing video. And I'm gonna continue on with my day, my studies. All right, that's what it is. Oh. Yeah. Satisfying. Ooh, very satisfying. Okay, got a sticker here. Size 46. Spelled the email wrong, but it's okay. Alright. Take this out. Ooh, damn, heavy, dude. There you go. Never really had a Saint Laurent box before. Alright, I've seen this on the internet, so let's go with it. You guys see at the same time as before me. How about that? I won't even look. You see before me. Because you guys are subscribers and help me get this type of stuff. So you'll see it before me. Look yet. So what does it look like? Will you see anything yet? Oh, it's got a gigantic thing. Oh, you can't see it before me. It's bagged up. And they give you 2 bags? That's ridiculous. You don't need 2 bags. Shit. Okay. 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 Paris, made in Italy. Interesting. So yeah, they got little holes right here, which is good for breathability. Because my other ones don't have the holes. It's just really shiny from Bally's. It's really shiny. It is. Kind of interesting. Damn, the smells. Whew. The smell is something. I can get that out. Hey, so now I can wear something that looks like J's, but they're not J's. Damn, they didn't lace this up for me? What kind of people are these? I gotta lace this myself? That's kind of bullshit, but okay. They didn't lace it up for me, so I gotta lace up my own stuff. That is interesting that they didn't lace it up for me, but whatever. But yeah, here we go. How are you guys doing, man? How's it going? That's it. That's it. I'll put them on. But yeah, man. YSL. I don't know why I thought it would say YSL on the tongue. I guess I didn't look at it. I just saw the didn't look at it like that. You know what? The Bally's ones smell better. Well, let me get them. I'll show you. Let's run a comparison on high-end boots. These are the ones that I was wearing before. Which ones are sicker? You guys tell me. Like the brand name, I guess is what the Bally's. But look at these, man. I mean, I barely wear them, but look at these. But the smell of these ones, oh my God. And I've been wearing these. Well, I'll tell you another thing. This right here is a lot chunkier. It's like it is a different style shoe, but the leather. Okay, I'd say the leather here. Hold up. Okay, this is made in Switzerland. This is made in Italy. I would say this is better. This is better. But I haven't worn them yet. But just looking at it, you know what I mean? But these are sick though. Alright, guys, have any questions about these shoes? Ask me in the comment section below. Have a great day.